we have to graph inequality. First, we will rewrite the inequality in the slope-intercept form. So let me move -1 to the right side. So we will have 4x and -1 to the left, so will be +1 is greater than y. And now I will change the side, so we will have y is less than 4x plus 1. I didn't change anything. We have here 4x plus 1 is greater than y. So it means that y is less than 4x plus 1. Y is less than 4x plus 1. We have to graph this inequality. First, we know that the boundary line will be y equals 4x plus 1, and this line doesn't belong to solution because we have here inequality less than or only, not equal. So we will have to draw the dashed line. And next, because the coefficient before x is positive, it means that our slope is positive. It means that our line is going up. What else? This 1 without x tell us about y-intercept. So b is equal 1. So y-intercept is 0, 1. So we have 1 point. To draw the graph of our function, we need a second point. We have y-intercept, so now we have to find x-intercept. So it means for y we have to put 0. So we will have, I just substitute y by 0, so it will be 0 is equal 4x plus 1. So I will move 4x to the left side, so it will be -4x is equal 1. Now we will divide both sides by -4, so we have x is equal -1 over 4. So we have point -1 over 4, 0. Now we will draw xy plane. We have points 0. First we have to choose unit. Have point 0, 1 and -1, 4, 0. It's approximately here. Like I said, because we have positive coefficient before x, our function is going up. And because we have y is less than 4x plus 1, so we have to use dashed line. It means that this line does not belong to solution. And now we have to choose which half of plane we have to shade. The easiest way is always choose the point, and the easiest point is 0, 0. So we have point 0, 0. This is first coordinate x, this is y. So let me copy our inequality. Y is less than 4x plus 1. So x we have to substitute by 0 and y by 0. So we have 0 is less than 4 times 0 plus 1. So we have 0 is less than 1. This is true. 0 is less than 1. It means this point belongs to our solution. So we have to shade the area with this point. This is my solution.